ito yung actual na game natin. Ito yung BitHub, yung guest, yung leaderboard, yung team. At ito yung makikita mo yung actual game natin. Pag nakakonect mo na yung wallet mo. Good morning. Ang gagawin ko ay magkoconnect ako ng wallet dito sa cellular. Ito yung panibagong game natin ngayon. Gagawin natin ay get started. I-click mo lang to. Then hanapin mo yung hindi ka pwedeng gagamit ng Trust Wallet, kundi ito yung gagamitin mo, yung Binance Web3 wallet. I-click mo lang to, tapos kunin mo yung mobile device mo. Punta ka dito sa inyong Binance account, then click mo yung Web3 wallet. Then pagka-click mo, meron kang makikitang scanner sa taas, no? So makikita kang scanner sa taas. At mag-ano tayo, so meron kang scanner sa taas na makikita. Tapos i-click mo lang dito. Then allow. Okay. Then puntahan mo yung i-click mo yon. Then makikita mo yung web3model.com. Connect the sites. Then connect natin. Then makikita mo na yung games dito. So preparing for cellular game. So to visit chainlist.org to add the BNB netnet. Yun ang ginawa natin kanina na kinonect. Then add a network to your wallet. Then deposit sufficient BNB tokens to your wallet to cover gas fees, cost minting, BitLife, charging BitLife, and other operations. So how to mine in the cellular game. So ang unang gagawin natin ay visit mo itong factory.cellular.live to begin your digital life mining. Then i-connect yung una nating ginawa kanina na i-connect mo yung wallet mo via VNV Web3 wallet. Then susunod dito guys ay dito, access the BitLife hub to explore and select your BitLife. Yan, punta natin dito. So click mo lang dito, ito yung BitLife hub. So i-click mo lang to main. Then may makikita ka dito na yung dapat magkaroon ka ng balance sa inyong BNB dito sa inyong wallet. So kasi nakakonect na yung BNB natin dito. Then susunod dito guys ay dito to na dito BitLife Shop. So purchase stuff BitLife directly in the BitLife Shop. You can use the BitLife Shop filtering system to store and buy based on high rate values for different time duration. So punta ka dito sa BitLife Shop, click mo lang dito, ito yung BitLife Shop natin, ito, click mo lang to. So mint, pagka click mo yung mint, so yung katumbas ng total BNB insufficient balance kasi wala akong balance sa aking BNB. So try ko muna maglagay total 0.0216 BNB. Mint, yun, pag naka-mint ka na, punta ka lang dito. Yun, BitLife Shop. Ito yung BitLife Shop natin. Ang susunod dito ay yung rent by reuse BitCells from a BitCells table drag into the craft table to mint your BitLife. Dito na. So ito yung mint BitLife dito. Ito yun. Ito. So dito ka ka-craft ng table dito, no? Craft BitCell table, then crafting table dito. Susunod dito ay yung clicking on the fast forward button on the craft table, then will bring up the evolution chamber. In the evolution chamber, you can drag the progress bar on the button to adjust the evolution speed. Generation represent generation of evolution, and active cells now represent the number of active cells in the current generation. The number of active cells is equivalent to the current BitLife hash rate. Yun. Pag i-click mo, i-try natin i-click. I-drag natin dito. Tapos i-drag din natin dito. So all drag natin. I-drag natin din dito. Drag try natin i-play. Play natin. 6th generation, 9 active cells now. 14, 17, push, close natin. So, may NFT ka rin dito, no? Susunod dito ay check your BitLife and BitCells My NFT. View all your BitLife energy and hash rate dito in my BitLife. In my BitLife cells, you see your BitCells and withdrawal staking profit. So, meron kang staking profit din dito. So, punta natin yung ito, NFT. So, no data. So, bago pa lang ako dito kasi sa Factory Cellular Life. Then, susunod dito guys ay yung in the main game interface, click the main building to display your BitLife. Please charge resting BitLife for 1D, 3D, or 7D. Collect energy only after successfully charging. Updates are made every 5 minutes. Please avoid recharging repeatedly, as is recharge will rest BitLife work time. Then, click natin yung games natin. Click natin. No data. Ito yung ano natin, no? Main building or tinatawag na main building to display your BitLife. Please, yung nakikita mo dito.